In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a shock absorber on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located in the rear of the vehicle. Let's get started. Install the jack under the rear axle. Using a 21mm wrench and socket, we're going to hold the head of the nut while we remove the bolt. Remove the top bolt using a 21mm socket. Remove the shock. Pull the plastic band off of the shock. Let it go all the way up. Now we're going to cycle this 3 to 5 times. Letting it go all the way up, and then we'll squish it all the way down and repeat that process. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. Install the shock up into the top mount. Get the bolt started. Get the bolt started by hand. Swing the bottom of a shock into place. Get the bolt started. Put the nut on the back side. Snug down the top and bottom bolts. Snug down the top bolt. Torque the shock absorber bolts to 85 foot-pounds. Do the same thing on bottom. Be sure that you hold the nut. Remove the jack from the rear axle. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.